Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show how we can consume the API. Suppose in the last video I saw how to create the minimal API. So let's suppose there is a console application. I just created a simple console application. That is the okay. And I will call the our API minimal API from this console application. It's nothing required any package and all. It's we are going to use the called http methods. Let's so what we are going to use, you are going to use the http client. Just I am trying using its default coming by the copilot. I am removing everything. Okay. And http client, we have to set the base address. What is the base address? Base address is the url of the API. This is the my url. This is the base address. You can also get from base address from here. When you click on the execute, this is the base address. Okay, I just copy the base address. I am putting the base address here. Okay, now I am creating a simple private method, separate private static async task. Okay, and I am creating a method get all is to tens, and I am passing the HTTP client. Okay, and I am calling this method from here, get all students. I am passing client. Okay, wait. Okay. Now let's call the method http response message equal to await client dot get async. Okay, what is our url? I need to pass here. Let me check what is the url for get student list. I need to pass here get student list. Okay, if http I'm going to check dot is success code. If you got the success, then what we are going to do, I'm going to get the student. I'm creating the similar class here also. Just add, I am adding the similar class public int id public string name. Okay, go to here. What I am going to do, just list of student equal to and I'm going to read this method. So how HTTP response message dot content dot read from JSON hashing this one, and I am passing list of is okay. Let's I just added the few lines of code here. What I am doing, I am just is success. I am just reading the list of student, and okay, and console.write line name. Before this, let's do one more thing. I want to post the student also. Okay, so now I just let me call the post also. Add a student, and I just adding a method add a student. Okay, let me call first add a student, add students, and passing client dot wait. Okay, and here what is the add student URL? Let me check here. It's add student. So I need to pass here add student, and I need to pass post hashing. So let me add the student. What we'll do, we need to just client post as async. What we are passing is student type, and this is the method name. Where we get the method name? We will get from the method name from here, add student. This is the our URL, base URL slash add student. It will add, and now I am adding one simple name, ID equal to 100 and name equal to Ashutosh. If it is not success, I am reading and printing. That is all. So what in these two method? First I am adding and then I am getting. Let's see what will happen. You can see here it's added two times because I already added the one student, and this is again added. So it's added and it's also getting the data. Now I will again run once more. You can see he added again. So this is the simple way to getting the consuming the API. Suppose I want to hit the delete. So what should we do? We need to just call the similar way delete method. I'm just copying and creating one more method. Just call delete students, and same way I am passing delete so for the delete student I just this is the delete async, this is delete student. I am just need to pass the ID. Okay, suppose I am one, I am passing. Now let's run, and I need to call here delete student client dot wait. Now let's run. What will happen? There is 4 because it's added one more, and finally it's called the delete also. When I run again, suppose I run again, it's 5. Okay, and let's see it's calling the delete student or not. Let's add a breakpoint here. So you can see here the error is coming, something not found. Let's see what is the reason it's getting the not found. So first of all, we need to check the what is the method name, delete student. Okay, let me check. Let's I added the delete student. What we need to delete student, the method name. This is the parameter I am passing, id equal to 100. Okay, so what is the id I am giving? 100. It will delete the student. So this is the very simple way to consume the API by using the HTTP client method. Okay, hope you guys able to understood how to consume the API by using the HTTP client. Very basic things we need to remember. Just create the object, pass the base address, and in the get async, suppose I want to get, just pass the what is the after the base address. How we'll find? We need to check the API. Okay, what is the URL of the API? This is the URL of the API, this is the base address, and this is the our next get method. So we need to pass here get a student list, and we will get the details in the response. Just need to convert Deserialize in this list of student, and you will find them. Similarly for others also. Okay, that's all for the video, and hope you guys able to understood how to consume the simple REST API using the HTTP client. Thank you all. Yeah, thank you for watching the video, and if you have any question, then give me the comment. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you like my video, then please like and subscribe. Thank you.